Hello, how are you? I am Mr. Mdee, welcoming you to share with me today's lesson, which is approximating square root of a number by using normals. When we say square root of a number, it's like, for example, if you have square root of 5, or generally you can say square root of a, where a is positive number, then there is a way of using normals to get the solution, and it brings funny in doing mathematics. When we say normals, we mean like using these dots in groups, and therefore you get solution. Now if you write it in this way, one dot and then you close it, this is called the 1 by 1 normals. If you use this one, you find vertically you have 2 dots, horizontally you have 2 dots, we call it 2 by 2. And if you have 3 dots vertically and 3 dots horizontally, we call it 3 by 3. Therefore, if we have to find square root of 5, that means you will have closing 1 and then closing 2. That is enough, and we say 2 because 2 times 2 we get 4. 4 is near to 5, and therefore what you can say here is that 2 by 2 gives you 4, but you remain 1 to reach 5, and therefore using normals we can say the first 1 by 1, the second 2 by 2, so 2 by 2 is 4, remaining part we now locate 1 dot of the remaining value, and other places you replace it by putting x. Not only x, you can use any letter or any sign, but here is x. So here is 1, here is 1, 2, here is 1, 2, 3, that way. So we have 2, and then remaining 1 out of, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is can be written in fraction as 2, 1 over 5, of which if you find it as a proper fraction, we are going to get 11 over 5, which gives us 2.25. This is approximation of a number. If you use calculator or any other means, it gives you a very small difference. Let's go to how we can find root of 10. Root of 10, the nearby number is 9. Of course, we have 3 by 3 to get 9. And therefore, we use normals once, twice, then thrice. Why thrice? Because 3 times 3 we get 9, and remaining 1. So remaining 1, we put another line so that we can get 1 normals which is remaining, and the other areas are filled by putting a certain letter, for example, x. And here should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what comes out is that we'll have 3 and remaining 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, we can write it as ratio or rational number 3, 1 over 7. If you convert it to proper fraction, 21 over 7, which now gives us 3.14 as the approximate square root of 10. Then let's see if it is very big number. We can have maybe 50 something, 80 something, or more than 100. What we do, we can find the nearby number which we can multiply to get approximate or very close value to that one. For example, here 7 times 7 we get 49, but 8 times 8 we get 84. So it is greater than this number here, 64, which is greater than this number. So we take 7 times 7, which is 49. That means we are going to have 7 closed normals. We leave 6 out, and then we replace the remaining part to the coming normals. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, I mean. Therefore, we have 7 and remaining 7 out of 15. 7 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But in total of them, they are 15. So in fraction, you can write 7 remaining 7 out of 15. And in proper fraction now will be 112 over 7, which is equal to 7.46 as a square root of 15. Therefore, from this one, now we can see that it is easier to teach students or to students to do it as a funny, but they get the correct solution. Thank you very much.